Hello friends, welcome to the Car Guide. My name is Rishabh and today we have a very good news regarding the Maruti Suzuki S-Cross. I know S-Cross is already being sold in India and the new one is a little due. On 25th November 2021, this car will be showcased for the Italy market and not for the Indian market as of now, but soon. I mean next year this car will makes its way for the Indian market as well, because everywhere everybody is excited for the SUVs like Creta, Aster and Seltos, and Maruti really thinks that they want to enter in this segment and rule this segment as well, which is why they are going to launch the S Cross in the Indian market next year. And today I'm going to tell you about all the details you have to know about this. So the S Cross, first of all, this SUV will be completely changed and new design will be provided for the customers in Italy for now, Indian of course after some time, but definitely the Maruti company should have made these changes maybe a year or 2 years ago, but you कहते हैं ना देर है दुरुस्त है. So don't you worry, company is already there and they are trying to ramp it up the speed, and definitely they are going to provide a good vehicle for us. Newly designed S Cross will be a better looking, futuristic looking, and it will have a bold and aggressive design with a little changes in the dimensions as well, because currently the S Cross looks like a crossover SUV, but they want it to be a boxy SUV if they want to win this segment. And currently the engine which is provided in the S Cross is the 1.5 liter K15B engine, which generates 104 bhp and 13 newton meters of torque. Unfortunately, this engine will remain as just as it, and they are not providing any turbocharged engine as in the international market, because in Italy and in some European segments, European countries, they are providing a 1.4 liter booster jet turbocharged engine, which they should provide in India. Let's hope for the best, and let's hope that Maruti provides this engine for the Indian market as well. They need to provide it in order to compete it with the Aster Seltos or even the Creta. So if we talk about the transmission, obviously you will get a 5-speed manual and a 4-speed automatic currently, and in the new S Cross you will get a 6-speed automatic too. In the international market, the S Cross is also provided with smart hybrid technology, with the plug-in hybrid as well, with a 48-volt hybrid system. But in India, you will only get a simple smart hybrid solution with which is offered by Maruti company here, and you will get regenerative braking, integrated starter generator, idle engine start stop, and of course the torque assist function too. This torque assist function helps you get some more power. But if we talk about the specifications, the size, if I was talking about it, the length of the S Cross will be changed to around 4.3 meters, which will help it to compete with the Creta, Seltos and Aster. The boxy element design is really compulsory for the Maruti company. The picture you're seeing here looks a little bigger than the S Cross currently available in the market, and it looks modern too, but I still feel that some technology aspects are required, like ADAS 360-degree cameras, but I'm not sure the company will provide them, whether they provide them or not. But obviously you'll get some basic features like dual airbags in the base model, ABS, EBD, and the top model will get at least 4 airbags, and the rear side will be completely redesigned as just as the front side. The front LED headlamps look really modern, and they remind me of Honda's HRV, Honda RS concept, or even Honda City. You can definitely resemble it with them. So if we talk about ADAS features, which already the Aster is providing, in next year Creta will also add ADAS feature in their lineup in the Creta facelift. I expect S Cross to feature at least a few ADAS features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, park assist, some features like that. What do you think about these features? That whether S Cross or Maruti should provide modern technology features in their cars or not? Even Brezza is also coming after 2 months. What do you think? How will it be? But don't you worry, everything regarding the S Cross, Brezza, or even all the other cars in Indian market, I'm going to provide you all the news in Hindi and English as well. This channel for English and a Hindi channel is separate, where the link is provided in the description. I hope you like this video. If you have watched this here, you like this video, share your opinion, comment your opinion and share this video, and subscribe to this channel and help me and support this channel, so we can get you reviews on this English channel as well as we do it on our Hindi channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.